Hi everybody, I am going to try to wrap up this project, so this process video might be a little bit longer. I'm on day 21, so I just need to do 22 through 30. So I'm excited that you're here. Welcome back. I'm just going to try to keep it really simple and straightforward and just wrap up this project because we are now in December and I want to move forward on December daily. All right, I'm going to put these together. Okay, I'm starting off with a Sunday at home, and I just took this photo at the end of the day or the evening, and I just love it. It's kind of a weird angle, I think. I tried rotating it, but anyways, I really like it, and so I just added in "Have a Cozy Day" and a heart, and then a couple stickers and a few pink things that I had left. And then I'm just going to move on to the next one because, like I said, I'm just going to add the journaling at the end or off camera. So for this one, I did a beautiful row of trees at a local park that we met some friends at, and I'm going to add a border across the page, and then since it didn't make it all the way the border, I'm going to add a little word phrase sticker that says grateful, and then I'm just making a cluster underneath the photo and adding a few more stickers up to the top left, and then I am going to take a break and work on my Novembers and my numbers. I am going to attempt to do all the Novembers for the rest of the project that I need. And the way that I need to get out every single ink so that way it can coordinate. My November can coordinate, and as you can see, this got very messy and out of control. So I was stamping the November to make sure it coordinated with the cards that I picked out, and the day coordinated as well. And then I was able to go back to the project and put these on for the 22nd and the 23rd. And then I'm going to move on to the next one where we got to go to the library for the first time in 8 months. It was incredible and we were so excited. My kids were just, oh my goodness, they were thrilled. We had to wait in line and then we were like the only ones in there. I took some books from I think the paper, and then I just cut off 2 of them because I didn't need those, and I'm going to just add those to the right hand side. And also I cut out the good books that was on the 6x8 paper, and then I'm just going to like I said, add in the other books and then add in my date below the pink, and then just add lots of different stickers to go with this page because it needed a lot of stickers. We were so happy to be at the library. For this day, I decided to just document my creative space and being thankful for having my creative space. And I decided to use these big pink floral stickers since I hadn't used them yet. And that's pretty much all I used for this particular spread. I am running low on stickers at this point, but I am still trying to make it work because I definitely still have a lot of word phrase stickers. So I'm using several of those, and then I'm just going to use the other pink floral sticker on that side and then just trim off, I said that side, the left side, and then I'm just going to trim that off. And then the next page is Thanksgiving. And so I decided to go a little bit fancier, and I'm going to get out some color cast designs pieces in just a minute. And I did try something up at the top where I have give. I'm going to put a pumpkin down, and then I decide since we had pie, I could layer a pie sticker on top. And so it'd be kind of a layered sticker effect. I don't know if it exactly worked, but I just decided to keep it. And I had to use that big pie on a cake stand die cut. Why not? Because I just had to. And then I used 2 of the small leaves, and I put give thanks. And then I realized that I mixed up the days, and so I was going back to check those. And now I am moving on to the next day where I documented our movie watching and just being thankful that we can stream movies whenever we want. It definitely wasn't that way when I was a kid, but we love to do that every evening as a family. And so I just made a collage of the different movies that we have been watching. And I used the stickers gathered together, and then some pinks and some reds. And then at the end, I decided to add a border sticker. And so I'm just going to have to play with the stickers to kind of lift them up a little bit. It's this fun scallop border that I think says cozy and together. And so I just peel up the stickers really carefully, and then I can lay down that scallop border, and I just love it. I love this collage, and our favorite movie so far was Jingle Jangle on Netflix. So you haven't seen that one, you gotta go see it. It's a really good movie. I just put down the photo for Candy, and then this one was a family bike ride on the 29th. And of course, I have to use the bike die cut. I mean, why not? It is huge, but that's okay. I just have a photo of the river, and I'm gonna just lay the bike die cut at the bottom. I'm also gonna use a pocket, since I used a pocket on the first notebook that I have, and I took the bike and I just folded a crease where the tire went over, and so I just added that little tire piece to the left-hand side. For the final day of November, I decided to document groceries, and I will talk about that in just a minute. I'm going back to this photo. I believe this is the 27th. I was just documenting how I love treats, and treats are kind of a big part around here. Like, we love treats, and I always like to have treats in the evening. And I found a cool sticker that I hadn't used. I think it said stay cozy or something, but it was a deep red that matched my candy bucket, so that was perfect. Going back to the bike photo, I am adding in a leaf circle sticker, and then a larger yellow circle sticker, and then some large leaf color cast designs. I almost put a yellow November, but I decided I wanted black, and I'm just going to put it up by the pocket because I don't have any other room anywhere else. Also added a blue I love fall sticker, and I am cutting off the white borders of the photos, the two photos that I have, because they are going to be too snug in the page protector. For the first photo, it was like a fish jumping, so I stamped an arrow, and then the other one is my family and I walking on the river, and so I just clustered a bunch of stickers, a heart, a flower, and then a word strip, and then I'm just gonna tuck those into the pocket and call that one done. So I love adding that little pocket. For this one, I'm just talking about groceries, and I'm so thankful for being able to just pull up and get my groceries and be done. I was doing this way before the pandemic, and I'm even more grateful for it. It's such a lifesaver. So I used pretty much the last of my orange and green leaves and a few of the die cuts, and then just clustered them in together, and then I will be finishing that page. I also added in a thin yellow sticker border at the bottom then to complete that page. All right, so I have added in the journaling for the rest of these pages, and that means this project is all wrapped up and done. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this video and all the videos that I had for this project. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.